In front of me is OnePlus Open, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon of a plus at the bottom left corner. And to add an audio file, tap on Files. Then look for your file in one of those apps by tapping on Audio at the top or by clicking on those three lines at the top left corner and selecting one of those sources. Either way, after locating your file, just hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video one, select Gallery section instead of Files and tap on your video to add it, or select Folders, look for it here and click on it to add it as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!